Hey, this is Chris with Roland Pest Management, your local bug company, and today I'm going to walk you through how to treat for roaches indoors. We're in a kitchen today, so we're going to go ahead and start with this side of the cabinets. You always want to pick a side and then make sure that you're thorough and get all of the cabinets. So, what we do, open up the cabinets. You can either take this drawer out or just pull it out enough so that you can reach to the back. But you're going to take your flashlight and your bait. Take your bait. Put a dab, just a dab, not, it should be the size of an eraser, nothing bigger than that. Put it up in the corners, and then I'll usually go across the top, and you want to spread it out about every 10 to 12 inches. So you'll do that, and then you'll come to your hinges, and you'll put bait in your hinges, down below too, and then I'll usually tuck some behind here, behind this lip, and then you're going to go through all the cabinets and do that same thing. When you get to your underneath your sink, you want to make sure that you get around your plumbing lines, and again up in the corners the same way, and the hinges. And then when you get to your dishwasher, make sure that you hit all around the dishwasher. Remember, about every 10 to 12 inches. You could probably even go 5 to 10 inches when you're around the dishwasher, because that's usually where a large amount of the infestation is. Then you're going to go to your fridge, pull out your fridge, and then in the back bottom part you're going to have either a metal grate or a cardboard cover. You're going to bait that up really well, because the roaches will nest inside of there as well. Do the same with the stove, pull it out, bait behind the stove, and then go to your bathrooms and bait your cabinets up the same way we just did in the kitchen. So that's how you treat your kitchen for roaches. If you have any questions, just call us. It's 407-969-6162. Again, this is Chris with Roland Pest Management. We roll in, the bugs roll out.